So EPI stands for Apicalyx. If you have gone through the notes carefully, I have told you Apicalyx is found in Malvaceae family or China rose family or Mallow family. If you put a G naught, that means the gynoecium is absent. If you put a 2 there, that means there are 2 carpels and there is no bracket here, so the carpels are not fused, that means 2 carpels are apocarpous gynoecium. If a bracket is there, that means the gynoecium is syncarpous type and 2 carpels are there. Now, a very important portion is the line. We put a line above, that means gynoecium is below. That means the ovary is inferior, or you can say the flower is epigynous type. If you put a line below the gynoecium, that means gynoecium is above. So that means ovary is superior, that means flower is hypogynous type. And bicarpillary syncarpous because 2 and then brackets are there. Now when you put a line in between like this means the bicarpillary syncarpous and semi-inferior, or what you call as perigynous type of flower. Now these are the floral formula of the 5 main families. So Fabaceae family formula is BR. BR stands for bract is present, and this symbol means zygomorphic in symmetry. Bisexual flower. Then the calyx is or the sepals are 5 in number and they are fused. Corolla is 5 in number, 1 is standard, 2 are the lateral one, and 2 fused are the anterior most, the smaller one. If you remember, standard, wings, and keel or carina. Then andrecium are 9 fused with filaments and 1 separate, that means diadelphous. Gynoecium is superior ovary, that means hypogynous flower, and there is only 1 carpel and there is only 1 locule, that's why it is just 1 mentioned here. Solanaceae family, it can be bracteate or ebracteate, both conditions are possible. Then the flower is actinomorphic, that means radial in symmetry. Bisexual flower, calyx 5 and fused, corolla 5 and fused, andrecium 5 and fused with the, or you can say epipetalous type of stamens are there. Gynoecium again same, just like this, will be superior, that means hypogynous flower, and you put a bracket, so that means syncarpous, and how many carpels are there? Bicarpillary. Liliaceae family will be again bracteate with actinomorphic, that means radial symmetry. Bisexual flowers. Now because this is a incomplete type of flower in Liliaceae, so perianth is there. Calyx and corolla are not present, please remember. So in the formula you will not mention K or C, you will mention P. And tepals are in 2 whorls of 3 each, so 3 plus 3. Andrecium again attached with the tepal, so because tepals are 3 plus 3, so andrecium also will be 3 plus 3. And then gynoecium is again superior, hypogynous, and then because bracket is there, so syncarpous, and it is 3 carpels, so tricarpillary and syncarpous. Now the next one is Crucifera family, that is the mustard family. Ebracteate flowers 100%, so there is no variation possible. And then actinomorphic flower, that means radial symmetry. Bisexual flower, calyx would be 2 plus 2 because they are in 2 whorls. Corolla will be 4 in number in 1 whorl, so it looks like a cross. If you remember, we have covered it. Cruciform means cross. Andrecium will be tetradynamous, if you remember, 2 plus 4, where outer two are smaller and they are outside, and inner 4 are longer in size and they are towards the inside, so 2 whorls are there. Gynoecium again superior type, hypogynous flower, syncarpous and bicarpillary. Malvaceae family. Malvaceae family includes the cotton or China rose, bracteate flower, bisexual flower, actinomorphic or radial symmetry flower. Now epicalyx is present. They will be 3 to 9 in number, generally 7 in number, 6 to 7 in number generally. And then they are present outside, so that's why they are written first, followed by the calyx, which will be 5 or 5 in this manner, because they can be polysepalous or they can be gamosepalous. Then corolla would be 5 again, but they are free. So penta, you can say the petals are 5 in number, but they are free. So polypetalous type. Then androecium are numerous, so infinite, and attached with the corolla. So epipetalous type. Gynoecium would be again superior ovary. Superior ovary means hypogynous flower, and gynoecium could be 2 or otherwise many in number. Generally, like if you talk about the China rose, you will find 5 carpels are there. If you talk about ladyfinger, also 5-6 carpels are possible. That means, but they can be 2 or more than 2 variable in number. I hope this concept is clear to you. Now let's come back to the description we were doing. So the flower would be, now same thing is covered again in this. So flower would be bisexual. Okay, this one. The calyx would be 5 in numbers, 5 sepals, and they are fused. Imbricate or valvate will be the estivation. In the case of Solanaceae family, again they are 5 and fused, and they are persistent, because if you see tomatoes or brinjal or chilies or capsicum, you will find the calyx are persistent and they remain green in nature. They grow with the size of the fruit, and their estivation is valvate type. Liliaceae will have perianth, valvate type estivation. Then Crucifera family will have 2+2 arrangement in 2 whorls. They will be open in nature. Open means do not touch each other. And then in the case of Malvaceae family, you will find calyx will be 5 free or fused, and epicalyx is there 3 to 9, generally 6 or 7, and then they are open in nature. Now this brings us to the next one, that is the corolla. So C stands for corolla.